welcome back to my channel. Hi. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do that little that little intro because I literally went to school and got this camera for this video and the videos that I'm filming tomorrow. The reason being is because I want to give you the best possible quality I can give you at the moment because I don't have enough money to buy a nice camera like this. So why not use the resources that I already have and just go check it out for free at school? You know what I mean? Like, I pay enough money, they should just give me one of these anyways. Today's video is just going to be me talking or reviewing the La Mer Crème de la Mer Moisturizer, which it's being raved about and everything from the beauty community just to skincare people. Everybody that's involved with skincare is raving about this and has been for years. And I am going to get down to the nuts and bolts of this and you will see why. Okie dokie guys, so I have pulled up the site on my phone, focus, and I'm going to give you the price breakdowns of what's in this particular product. So this product at a half an ounce costs $85, okay? And at 1 ounce is $170, 2 ounces $315, 3.4 ounces $475, and then 8.4 $1,080, and then last but not least, the 16.5 ounce container of the Crème de la Mer is $2,095. Like, what makes you think you can price it that high? That's what I have to ask. Like, it's so high, it better pay my bills, it better do everything for me, and pay my college loans, bitch. I think the reason, and I know because I've asked and talked to some representatives and research for you guys for this video, is that they have actually, what makes it special compared to the other brands and makes it superior to all of the other moisturizers out there, is that they put fermented algae into the formula of this particular product, therefore benefiting from anti-aging things and also just giving you a saturation of hydration that will replenish the skin and give it a youthful, more even, textured and toned look. So I have been testing this particular product out for about 4 weeks now, so for about a month. And with products like this, I extremely urge you, I cannot stress it enough, just go to the store, to Sephora. I don't know if you can do it at Sephora, but I know you can go to Blue Mercury or Macy's, and you can go get samples for particular products like this that are or any products, but especially products that are expensive and you need, like skincare, it's so personal, you need to see if it works before you buy it. So I've gotten about 4 to 5 samples over the past 4 weeks, so a month. Because a little goes a long way, it's very thick. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take some on your finger, and I'm not going to waste it because it's like midday and I only put this on at 9. And you are supposed to take it in between your fingers and rub it together, and then it activates the ingredients within the particular moisturizing formula that they've formulated for you. And it's supposed to activate it, and when you put it on your skin, it's supposed to soak in and just basically give you a baby face and new skin. That's allegedly what it should do for the price point. I can definitely vouch and say within the 3 to 5 day range after starting using this particular product, I could tell a difference in my skin. I never really have textured skin, but mine, since I am so pale, I show so easily any hyperpigmentation from my freckles, from sun damage. Even though I do use sunblock, I'm so pale that any discoloration in my face is gonna show because I'm so pale. So they really evened out my skin tone, especially. That's the #1 thing that I noticed, and my skin just felt healthier, more plump, and more hydrated after 3 to 5 days after using it, which is very, very, very fast for any skincare product to do that, which it should at this price point, like I said. But my final thoughts on this particular product is that it is definitely worth it. If you do have the money to go buy it, then go buy it. You know what I mean? It's gonna work. But the one thing that I have, say, caution, warning, is that this product, the Crème de la Mer, and a lot of their other moisturizing skincare products are heavily scented with fragrances. That's the #1 thing that I thought. I'm like, ooh, I didn't think that those were good for your skin. So why are you putting them in there, La Mer? Why are you putting them in there? But I have rosacea, so if it doesn't bother my skin, likelihood of it bothering your skin if you don't have rosacea or you don't have sensitive skin are very low. As an overview, if you've got the money, buy it. Well, first of all, just go to get a sample. Even if you do have the money, go get a sample, try it out. If it works, great, buy it, whatever size you want. But if you don't have the money to buy it, that's fine. Just go get samples. Go to different Blue Mercuries and stuff like that, so they don't keep recognizing your face when you go get the samples, because that almost happened to me. Someone almost clocked me. They were like, "Haven't I seen you in here before trying to get a sample for the lawnmower?" I'm like, and I put my sunglasses on. I was like, "No, it ain't me. I don't know who you're talking about, bitch." And she was like,
"Excuse me? I think I did actually see you come in here and get some."
And then I was like,
Justin, who? That was not me, man. I am the CEO and founder of Lawnmower, and if you don't give me a fucking sample of my fucking moisturizer, I'm going to scream.
and she said yes, and she gave me a sample. So that's how I got my last sample. I have to go to some different Blue Mercuries because they're starting to recognize my face after a month of going there and getting free samples. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was informative to you guys, and that it's actually worth it. Just go get some samples, try it out, and see if you like it. And let me know in the comments if you like this video, and if you do go get samples and you ended up liking it, or if you didn't like it, if you think it's worth the money or not once you try it. Just leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you guys, and because you know I love talking to you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!